What is up, you guys? So today I wanted to discuss just something that I picked up recently, and I wanted to talk about all of the reasons why I opted for one version over a different version that I had discussed that I wanted. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, so if you watched my wish list video, then you know I discuss these sneakers over here. I talked about wanting these sneakers because they were a style of shoe that I would wear a lot more than the Chanel sneakers that I purchased and sold. So I was pretty sure that I wanted these. Now, when I filmed my wish list video, I swear it was like the next day after I filmed the wish list that I came across these sneakers on the Hermes website. And so the shoes that I'm talking about are these over here. These are called the Voltage Sneakers. They are really, really beautiful. And I have to say, they are almost an identical style to the Louis Vuitton shoes that I wanted. I believe they're called the Time Out sneaker. They are very identical. This has an embossed H on this side and on this side. The Louis Vuitton ones had monogram in the back and they were embossed LV in white. I believe it was also leather. And they were very, very similar. Now, the moment that I saw these, I was like, you know what? I think I'm gonna go with these. So the first reason that sold me on these versus the Louis Vuitton ones are the pink detail in the back. That is a very almost fuchsia pink, or not almost, it is like a fuchsia color. It's gorgeous. And I thought, what a fun detail. They're all white, but it's just got that small pop of color, and I just loved that. I genuinely really love that. So that was number one. The second reason why I opted for these versus the Louis Vuitton sneakers is, I'm not sure how much you guys watch the news, but in LA there are like, crime has really gone like haywire, and I just started to think that, especially if I'm, taking my girls for a walk, anyone that's behind me, I didn't want to be a target. I'm going to be really honest. I started to think that the monogram in the back was me basically making myself a target. I know Louis Vuitton is a very popular brand, and I just wanted to avoid just being a target of any kind. Again, these are embossed with Hermes, but it's very minimally. It's not like very much in your face, and not a lot of people know this brand. People aren't trying to buy it, or it's not it isn't a brand that people are that aware of like they are of Louis Vuitton. So I thought that that was just a safer choice, on top of the fact that I really did fall in love with the design. Reason number three that I went with this style versus the Louis Vuitton Time Out sneaker is the price point. These Hermes sneakers are they cost less than the Louis Vuitton sneakers. Now, it isn't by much, but I am frequently surprised by Hermes prices. They are so good still. And I think because they're not logoed, not a lot of people gravitate towards Hermes for, let's say, something like a sneaker. Even their small leather goods, I feel like, the Bastia is still priced really well. I know the Calvi is also priced really well. They have a lot of really well-priced items. And I think that people just hear Hermes, just assume that it's like insanely expensive. And the reality of it is that they're not. Like, other than the huge price points of the Birkin and the Kelly and the Constance, I feel like they are a really well-priced brand that has a lot to offer that a lot of people just seem to ignore because they're so busy with, wanting a bag. So yeah, I really thought that these were gorgeous, and I have to say they continuously sell out because I was watching these. I filmed my wish list video sometime in late October, November, and I've been watching these for that long, and they're my size was not available. Then it would come back and then I'm like, okay, I should buy them. And then they wouldn't be available. And so we played that cat and mouse game for a while. And I eventually did get these. And I'm really, really thrilled with them. They're so like buttery soft, and the smell is so distinct. It's not like anything I've smelled before. It's like, it's really, really a really well-made shoe. They're just, in case any of you guys were wondering, there's a lot of wrinkling actually to the leather, which I was told was the nature of the leather, which does not bother me at all. I feel like it's one of the reasons why they're so soft. But yeah, I genuinely love these. Now, if you saw my post on Instagram, I hate laces, and I've talked about that before. I will obviously be switching out the laces to this over here. I actually did it already with this one. And so it becomes ultra comfortable and easy to just slide in and out, which is what I need for my lifestyle. So I think these are really, really great shoes. If any of you guys are interested, definitely keep an eye out. They do come in other variations that I think are really, really fun. These are the ones that I really loved. I did see them in an orange color, I want to say. So yeah, definitely keep an eye out for these. I don't know if it's a fair thing for me to say, but I did notice Amaya at home picked up, I think they're a little bit different than these. I think they are called the Voltage Sneakers. They looked a little bit more elevated, kind of at an angle, if I remember correctly, but they looked very similar to this. So I think these may go on sale, but I do know that the Hermes sales are very specific, like city specific. So I'm not sure how, like, if that even matters, but I know Maya was able to purchase these on sale, I think in Paris or something. So, you know, you can also wait for that, but they are definitely worth the price point. I'm genuinely thrilled with these, and I feel like these will go like with wide leg slacks. I think these would look so good also with dresses. I feel like they're just super cool. So I'm thrilled that I have them. Like I said before, I'm not a sneakerhead, so I just wanted one pair of sneakers that I could wear frequently. That is it for today, you guys. I do hope that you found this video helpful, and I will chat with you guys later.